Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to fix Discord screen share no audio issue in your Discord. To fix this, first of all open any browser you have in your device and on the searching bar search for Discord. From the button, click on the user settings and then go through the voice and audio option. Now there you will see an option of test check. Click on that and test your audio if it is working on the Discord side or not. If it is working perfectly fine on the Discord side, then it is the problem in your Mac speaker. So you need to solve that. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.